Hey everyone, welcome to From the Depths. I'm Menti, and this is episode 14 of the Black Sun Syndicate's Squadron Shootout. In this episode, we've got the His Broken Bladers by Crushed Ember, which features this. It's more like a fighting barge, I guess, but it's the flagship. That's an interesting way to do the propellers. Got some more propellers back there. Got some big guns. Those. Got two big turrets on the front and back. Some secondaries on the side. Some lifeboats. We've got this airship here. It's got big old props on the top. Completely exposed in the air, and ailerons and tailplanes and all that fun stuff. It looks like it may be a cram bomber. At least has cram guns on the underside. Okay. Probably should have built the spawn stick to spawn it up higher. If we're gonna do that. It's a little low. It's gonna take. Well, the cram gun also needs to load, so I suppose it'll have that time to get up into the air. And we've got this. I think it's supposed to be a surface ship, but it's spawned a little low in the water here, while the main ship there is a little high. But it's got some more APS guns, advanced cannons. Some cram secondaries on the side. But yeah. So that's the His Broken Bladers by Crushed Ember. And over here we have the Force of Nature by Off Fiddlesticks. Which features this cruiser-looking thing here, some heavy armor turrets, pretty big guns there, some secondaries. We've got another one of the turrets on the back, propellers on the back. Looks like that may be a lead keel. Yep, that's lead. Excuse me. Oh. We've got this airship over here. Almost like a helicopter ship. It's similar to the prop design anyways, similar to the airship on the His Broken Bladers. At least the upper prop's just kind of freestanding, though. This one uses a bunch of big... Oh, and it's also cram cannon under here. Are these... I call these APS guns, but are they actually... They are APS, okay. But it looks like these two airships, very similar in design, having big crams on the underside. We've got this little fighter-looking thing. Looks like a mix between an attack helicopter and a fighter jet. Yeah, it actually does have jets. Huh. That's an interesting design there. And then we've got a submarine here, another missile sub. We have tons of those. Looks like they're laser designated. Excuse me. Ugh. This cold just needs to go away. Had enough. Anyway, go ahead and we'll get this battle started here as soon as I bring up the clock. Yep, and here we go. Round 1, start. Immediate fire from the Force of Nature. This one seems to be moving at a good pace. That's good. That missile strike coming in from the missile sub. Heading for his broken dagger. Oh, it looks like they're falling just short. Oh, but they're managing to... Some of them are managing to drift into the ship anyway. Getting some damage in. Where did that... Oh, geez. You're pretty high up here, buddy. I believe you are out of bounds. Yep, 410. You are way too high. Oh, but the airship of the force of nature is not... Oh, I need to pause. He's just as high, is out of range too. Come on, guys. Too high. Hey, the albatross on the force of nature is coming down some. It is back in range, okay. But the Barracuda... No, that's not the Barracuda. Crippling depression is still too high. And it is about to be disqualified here very shortly if it doesn't fix itself. Yep, that is it. This ship is disqualified. Yep, it is still too high, and it doesn't seem to really be coming down either. Why does it keep going to the Barracuda? You know, it's hovering here at 375. That is too high. Sorry, Crushed Ember. Is that enough to make the crippling depressions despawn? No, it is not. The explode tool is not being very effective anymore for some reason. Anyway, I'll use the death ray to just snipe this AI out. There we go. That will despawn. Now we can get back to watching the battle. Sorry about that, folks. Has the Albatross playing nice still. Yeah, it's sitting right there on the edge, but it is within bounds. A missile strike coming in from the sub. Yeah, his broken dagger and the Barracuda. This is the Barracuda? No, his broken connector. I think the Barracuda is the submarine. Ooh, those cram cannons just punching into the side of the Grizzly here. Didn't seem to do overly much. It looks like it just hit some superstructure. Maybe took out a missile launcher, but nothing too serious. His broken bladers are kind of clustered up here and sort of stuck together. They seem to be in a lot of trouble. Oh man, if I was the captain... Oh no, don't... Oh god! Oh. If I was the captain of the Grizzly there, I would be pissed. Like, what are you doing? You almost missiled me! Oh, it looks like the His Broken Dagger has been defeated. And is despawning, leaving only the His Broken Connector left in the fight. It's unfortunate the airship went out of range and got itself disqualified. It's too high, 300-meter limit, because I didn't want satellites in the battle. But airplanes, airships, submarines, and surface craft. And it looks like the His Broken Connector is also despawning, so that is it for round one. Yep, Grizzly, Barracuda, Albatross, and Sparrow. Those are the only ones left alive. Those are all Force of Nature. So we'll go ahead and get this restarted. Get on out here in the deep part of the ocean. Spawn everybody back in and do round two. Man, this is... we keep having matchups where they're right next to each other. Even though it was randomly generated. It's interesting. I wonder what the statistical chances of that happening multiple times is. But anyway, we'll go ahead and get round two underway. Hopefully the airship of the His Broken Bladers plays nice this time. It doesn't go too high. Because I don't think it took battle damage that caused that to happen. The crippling depression is gaining altitude, gaining altitude. Honestly, it should be moving forward, like with how how physics works. It should be helicoptering forward. Oh, it is taking damage. It is getting shot. And it is once more out of range. Okay. Its only hope for not being disqualified at this point is to get shot down. You go ahead and, while that's going on, just keep an eye on it. If it loses significant altitude, then I can on it. That missile strike slamming into the His Broken Dagger. Got the Albatross here. It is a little above altitude as well. Watch it, make sure it comes back down. Okay, yeah, it's coming down. It's alright. But it looks like once more the crippling depression is going to be disqualified and despawned. What a shame. Okay, and that should AI dead it. Yep, it is AI dead, so we can return to the battle over here. Oh no! Oh wait, never mind. I thought that was friendly fire, but no, that was not friendly fire. Looks like his broken bladers are getting torn apart once more. Oof. Those are some heavy frag rounds. Yeah, the poor his broken bladers are just getting slammed on. There goes his broken connector. Or, no, that was his broken dagger. This is the connector. And it will be following suit here very shortly. Oh, geez, that's, those torpedoes? Yeah, that was a lot of torpedoes. And that is it, folks. That is the end of the battle. Congratulations to Off Fiddlesticks for his Force of Nature has defeated his broken bladers, and we're moving on to round 2 of the primary bracket. This is the final match in round 1 of the primary bracket. I'm going to go ahead, and the next episodes I'm going to do are going to be round 2 episodes, but I'm doing the ones that got the I'm going to be doing the ships that got buys, so that they don't have to wait until the secondary bracket round 1 is completely over before they see their ships. So those are what I'm going to do next. And I guess I'll go ahead and show the bracket real quick here. So yes, so there'll be the Bloody Waters by Cruise, the Spirit of 76 by Ferrum 4, and Team Striker by Chromoid will be the next three. Well, I mean, it'll be Bloody Waters and Kraken Unleashed, and Spirit of 76 and Crusader Fleet, and Team Striker and Coastal Defense Task Force Juliet. Those will be the next 3 battles I show. And then we'll come down here, do the secondary bracket, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. It's shaping up to be an interesting tournament. I've got my favorites here, but you never know. We'll see what happens when we get down on this end of the bracket, huh? Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and I'll see you on the battlefield.